Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you logged into Mobile Legends only to be hit with that crushing account has been banned message? It is a horrible feeling, especially if you believe you did nothing wrong. The good news is, all hope is not lost. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through the official appeal process, step by step, to give you the best chance of getting your account back. Let's get right into it. Before you can appeal, you need to understand what happened. When you see the ban message, take a moment to read the reason and the duration. Was it a temporary ban for a few days or a permanent one for a severe violation? Common reasons for bans include verbal abuse, cheating, account sharing. If you know the reason, your appeal will be much stronger. If you genuinely believe you were banned by mistake, such as being mass reported by a losing team, then you have a case. Step 2. Send an email to Moontoon's customer service. Use a concise subject line like account ban appeal, then put your user ID. This is the most crucial part. You'll need to provide your user ID, your server ID, and a clear, respectful explanation of why you believe the ban was a mistake. Be as detailed as possible. If you have screenshots or video evidence to back up your claim, be sure to mention them. Step 3. What not to do. This is an important warning. Do not fall for scams. Never use a third-party website or a service that promises to unban your account for a fee. These are always fraudulent and will likely steal your account and your personal information. Always go through the official channels, the in-game support, or the official email address. If your appeal is successful, make sure you take steps to avoid being banned again. Be a good teammate, protect your account, play fair. By being a good community member, you can ensure that you won't have to go through this process ever again.